Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hi, today I'm answering a subscriber question about the inverter model number Saa-500. Basically, inverters, regardless what the models or what brands, if they are electronic inverters like these are high frequency chopper inverters. This means that these transistors or MOSFETs that chop the electricity or the power to these transformers is running at a very high switch oscillating frequency. So the question is that, according to his word, that he had the model Saa-500 and he posted a comment or a question about this model in a video that I previously published on my channel. I believe it was the SUA 2000. Yeah, I'm sure you are going to find it in the description. But the question was that he plugged, and by an accident, the output socket of the inverter to the AC main grid, and that blew. By doing so, he blew the inverter circuit. Now, when you plug it in, that depends on the inverter circuit, but typically you will burn the transistors in the chopper output. This is the transistors rail in the chopper output. These transistors, the MOSFET, they are all MOSFET, and they are role in the circuit is to chop the 320, more and less 320 volts DC to an AC voltage. So these these transistors are existed to chop the DC output and turn it from DC to AC, so you can get an AC voltage out of the power socket. In the chopper circuit, the 12-volt chopper circuit, you will find typically 4 transistors in order so it can chop the electricity or the voltage of the battery and distribute the voltage between 2 transformers, like so, like in this model over here. Now he asked and as he elaborated, that when he opened the unit up and he saw what's inside of the board, he told me, and that is his word, that there were burned traces, completely burned traces on the board, and he asked how he can repair that. Well, actually, unfortunately, these type of boards, they are made of fibers, and when they got overheated or burned severely, as you may see here, if I just zoom in a little bit, you will see that this is a burn trace over here, as you can see, and this is a burn trace over here. If it was burned, I believe this the PCB become conductive, and you need to remove in whatever means, and you will have to remove this burn. Otherwise this burn will become conductive. It will act, it's like a jumper, this jumper over here. So you will have to remove this. And if I flip the board, as you can see, it's not heavily damaged, so this board is repairable. However, if I show you another board, you will see the extent of the damage, and this is the kind of damage that I'm talking about. This board, it's way damaged, as you can see, and someone tried to replace the transistors like so, and he did not do a very good job, as you can see. And if we take a look on the other side, you will see the extent of the damage. So yeah, this board you will need to remove the burn sides, as you can see. So this take care of this problem. Now moving on, he asked for replacement for the HY 1906, the XY 1906. It's a MOSFET. It's a high current MOSFET. I don't really care about the specs, but I forgot about the specs. But however, you can replace it with the IRF 3205, and you can replace it with better yet than the IRF 3205. You can replace it with the 1404. This is way much better. The IRF 740 will not work because it is an output shopper transistor, and has the maximum capability up to 12 amps, so it's way lower. This is typically, they can handle up to 50 or maybe 60 volts, so they are basically a very reliable replacement for this part over here, or this number over here, and they should do the job very well. But however, I recommend you to use a genuine parts, and let me get the other board, and test each of the driver transistor, test the resistance, test the shopper IC, the driver IC, and in this line over here also test the resistors and test the ICs. So all in all, I believe this is I answered all your question, and everybody or anyone who is interested or has the same problem, I believe this is a reasonable answer and quite a clear answer about these kind of questions. I'm sorry I did not answer you by an email, but basically I believe this is a lot more clear and informative than a regular email. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, or if you did so, please give me a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.